Hey guys, how are you? Happy Halloween, because that's what today is. And while everyone is out having fun, I'm going to be sitting here making myself look like Donna from Black Ink. I saw a makeup look that she had yesterday in her hair, and I just decided to replicate it. So I hope you'll take a seat, come on in, and watch this video. I'll try to make it kind of fast. And if you haven't been here before, welcome, and I hope you consider subscribing. And thank you so much to all my subscribers. Thank you for sticking in there with me. Thank you for the support. And stay tuned. Wow. I didn't know all of this stuff was still on my neck. Like, I thought it was going away. But anyway, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. She has some blue eyebrows. Let's see what kind of blue eyebrows we could come up with. I didn't really sharpen my Scandal eyes. What? Rimmel Scandal eyes. I'm going to try it with my blue Rimmel Scandal eyes pencil. Let's see how this works out. Whoa, this is kind of thick and creamy, but I'm gonna do it. Watch how this comes out. Wow, it's actually cute. Look. Honestly, I really don't know what would possess you to put blue eyebrows on, but hey, it's a thing. It's a thing. It's a thing. Okay, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my e.l.f. light concealer and I'm going to prime my eyes under the eyebrows. I don't know if I'm going to, maybe I will try to go around my eyes and contour my eyebrows. Just going to use this little flat BH Cosmetics brush. I think this is some kind of eco collection or something. Let's try to get it in. Get it on. Well, I don't get too much blue on the brush because what I made my eyebrows with is really creamy. This is like an eyeliner. Oops. See, it's starting to mix in with the blue. She didn't really have a whole bunch of makeup on her eyes. I'm going to prime my eyes anyway. I'm going to do a makeup video showing you what it's like to prime your eyes with and without. I mean, showing you how to put your eyeshadow on with prime and without prime. I'm going to do that next week. Right now, it's Thursday, Halloween. Make sure you always set your concealer no matter where you put it on your face. Okay. So she had like a pinkish kind of burgundy, but it was like a maybe a mauve. She had like a mauve color on her lids. So I'm going to start off with this color. This is a BH Cosmetic Martyr Match palette. I'm still using it and I really like it until I get rich like y'all and I could afford to buy those more expensive high-end brands of makeup. This BH Cosmetics. So I'm going to start off with this little purplish mauve right here. And I'm going to do a little transition. But I'm also going to put the same thing on my lid. Because she didn't have too many colors. It was like monotone with a little smoke look. Okay, so I'm going to take the next brush, which is also, I don't know what, oh, this is BH Cosmetics number 5 brush. And I'm going to put a little dark purple on the side to smoke it out a little bit. But she had it smoked out a bit over here. Just blend it in. Okay, so now what I usually do, and you know, people didn't think this was alright at first, but it's perfectly fine. People didn't used to, they wanted to pretend that everything was perfect in the camera. But Beat Face Honey, she does makeup really good, and she was like, don't be afraid to take a makeup wipe and cut your corners over here. I don't know if Donna had hers cut, but I cut mine. Okay. So next, what we gonna do is we gonna put on our eyeliner, because this is all she had on. This is all the color she had on. So I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and don't mind me because I'm really blind, so I have to be real close to put my eyeliner on. And we're not going real cat sharp or wing line because she just had basic eyeliner on. Oh, I'm using my little e.l.f. liner. I like this liner. It's an e.l.f. liquid line that comes in this little pointy thing. Do y'all hear the engines, the fire engines, and the wind and everything? And it's Halloween. I'm here by myself. I better get up and make sure all the locks are on. That's what I'm going to do. Be right back. I'm using Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. I used to have a real nice clear complexion, and that stupid allergic reaction screwed me up. I'm asking the universe to bring me back. Bring me back, universe. Bring me back. I need to go back to who I was. I need to go back to who I was. Because this ain't me. It changed me. Changed the inside and the outside. Alright. So next, I have this. I'm going to mix this together. I have this number 7 Stay Perfect Foundation. It's medium coverage. And I don't see no name to the color. It's suitable for sensitive skin. I wonder why there's no name on it. Maybe it is, but I can't see it because I'm blind. But anyway, you get the color that's for you. And I'm going to take this, and I'm also going to take my NYX Total Control foundation, and I'm going to mix it together. Both of them are pretty liquidy. I'm going to take a few pumps of this on my beauty blender. And I'm going to take a few pumps of this, a few drops of that. I'm going to tell you something. A lot of people don't like Donna. But I think she's been through a lot. And finally, well, she's trying to get married. And her boyfriend told her that he will marry her. Because she tried to pull some junk, telling him to come over, and when he got there, she had a wedding dress on, and he got mad and left. But spoiler alert, if you haven't seen the last episode of Wednesday the 30th, then step away from the camera. But he came over, he met her and told her he does want to marry her. He just wants to be prepared, you know, like financially and everything to get married. I'm going to take my fan and let this dry a little bit. Right now I'm going to put my concealer on. Then I have my setting powder, and today I'm just using Banana Dreams. It's something I was told about a couple of years ago that's on Amazon that's cheaper than like Laura Mercier, and it's cheaper than Sasha Buttercup. Sasha Buttercup? Is that it? Yeah. It's like a yellowish powder. It's really windy outside, and people are outside partying and trick-or-treating and everything. Okay, so now I'm going to use my my Fenty matchsticks. I'm going to use it in Mocha to contour. I actually like the blue eyebrows. Okay, so now I'm going to set my contour with some BH Cosmetics Forever New Sculpt and Glow. This is in the color medium. And I'm just going to use this dark color right here to set my contour. Now I'm going to take my blush brush from BH Cosmetics. This is number 4 BH Cosmetics brush. And I'm going to use the red blush color in the Sculpt and Glow palette. She did have a little pink cheeks. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush away my setting powder and blend in my contour some and my blush. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my black eyebrow pencil and line the bottom of my eyes, because she had the bottom of her eyes lined with black. Put on my eyelashes. I tried hair glue last time I put eyelashes on and I loved it. So I'm using Salon Pro hair glue to put on my lashes. If you have sensitive eyes, I don't know what, I'm not advising this. I'm not telling you to put it on. I'm just putting it on for me. I don't even think you have to let it dry that much. It just sticks on to your eye and then it dries. Okay, so I have my lashes on. And the next thing that we're going to put on, she had like a mauve lipstick. And she had a pinkish mauve lipstick on. And I'm going to set it with some Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray. And I'm going to just dry that setting spray a little bit, so I can put on my highlighter. I'm using my Becca liquid highlighter. Just get a little glow. She didn't have too much glow, but I like glow. She's just outside chilling. Okay, next we're going to do the hair. So she had on a dark lace front, and she had a bun on the top, and the rest of it was curly. So let's see what we can do with this hair. I'm using Noir Human Hair. It's synthetic. What? Premium synthetic hair, human hair feel. And I'm using it in the color PFS 1B27. It's Italian. It's an Italian body wig, 24 inches. This is what it's looking like. So I just put a bobby pin in the end, and I'm gonna wrap it around. I'm gonna stick it in the front of my bun and wrap it around. Okay, so I'm gonna take this part. I'm gonna take this part and I'm gonna turn it into a bun. I'm going to take the rest and push it to the back. I'm going to use 2 things of hair. 2 packs of hair. And then I'm going to use the other pack for the part she had coming down. Do the same thing with the second pack. I'm going to put a bobby pin in the end. And then I'm going to sweep it all to the back. So it could be coming down like a half up, half down. And I'm going to spin it around in the opposite direction. I'll take all the hair that's falling in the front and pin it back some. I know it's looking funny right now, but watch. Woo! Alright. So now what I gotta do is I gotta comb it out. She had hers kind of big and fuzzy. So I'm just hoping that I could comb it out and make it a little bigger. I think I could brush it out. Probably brush it with a wig brush would be better. But pull the curls out. Make it fluffy and big. Okay, so this is not as fluffy as Donna's is. But this is the idea. Alright, so now I'm going to do my baby hairs. She had a little baby hairs. I use my Got to Be Glued Ultra. This baby hairs is looking a hot mess. And that's because I forgot to put my stick on to cover my little grays. So here we go. Oh, I forgot something. Okay, so this is how Donna was looking when her man told her he did want to marry her. I hope you all like it. Okay, so I hope y'all like this video of me replicating Donna from Black Ink Crib. And I think I did a mighty good job, y'all. So make sure you comment below and let me know what you think as far as did I get it right? Did I get it right? And give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to go down here and subscribe. I love y'all. Mwah. See you next time.